winter, December 23rd, Christmas Eve, and we've had ice and snow and cold wind, and this is the plot in the winter. But I'm not gonna walk around too much. I'm just gonna kind of point the camera and stay in one place. Okay. I put a bunch of fir tree branches on the ground over some mulch. I think it's keeping things safe and cozy under the ground. Above the ground, everything is covered in rime. And I hope it doesn't mess everything up, kill everything. But this is nature. I gotta let nature do its thing. This area is a complete mess. And that chard, I think it's dead now, completely. Jeez, so bad. Roses. I've taken all the leaves off. I don't know, I just figured that I was just gonna let the winter damage whatever it was gonna damage, and then I'd prune it appropriately. I'm a little nervous. My grapes. Oh, the poor grapes. Let's see if they recover next year. See if I can slide down here.